So, the examiners talk about points and critical errors. How's that work?
This is what happens. The examiner is there to observe how safely you drive and how you obey traffic laws. If you do something incorrect, such as not scanning or checking a blind spot, but it doesn't pose a serious safety hazard, that's a 1-point deduction. You can lose a certain number of points and still pass. But if you lose more than that number, then you don't pass.
Like I did.
Now, a critical error is something that involves a more serious hazard. If you demonstrate that you don't have good control of the vehicle, if you don't understand traffic laws, or if you don't know how to respond appropriately to a traffic situation, these are usually critical errors. If the examiner has to intervene to tell you what to do, or another driver has to take evasive action to prevent an accident, that's definitely a critical error. And it only takes one critical error to fail the test.
Ouch.